God is irresistible. Kingdom in the spiritual, God in the flesh. Even when he was an embryo, zygote. Nah, bro, no lie though. I know it's by his grace I walk the straight and narrow like a tightrope. And on a side note, matter of fact, no side notes, he's inexhaustible and so colossal, bro, I can boast. And the Father, he chose me. The Son took a blow for me. The Spirit informed me and rose me. His word black shots like a goalie. Perfect humility. Perfectly holy. Destroyed the temple and then built it up again. Wrote the scriptures with men, not a pad of pen. God breathe, can't take away your add-ins. Cross actually saves, homie. Ain't no add-in. My God is a beast, so I'm bragging. The shepherd knows the sheep from the wolves. John 10.